Hello everyone! In today's video, we will learn how to create an account on Trello. Watch the video until the end to learn everything, as we will also show you how to create your first board. So let's dive right in. First, open any web browser and visit Trello.com. The link is in the description. Once you're on the website, enter your email address in the sign-up box. Alternatively, click on the Get Trello for Free button at the top right corner. On the next page, choose your desired platform from which you wish to create an account, such as Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Then click on the Create Your Account button. And that's it! Your account has been successfully created. Now let's move toward creating your first board. Click on the Next button to get started. Here, enter your board name like My First Board. Then click on Next. Next, enter the names of the 3 lists you wish to create. Then click on Next. After that, you can enter your cards, or alternatively, you can skip it by clicking on the Skip button at the bottom. Lastly, you can enter your team email address to invite them to this board. Alternatively, you can also skip this option. And that's it. You have successfully created your account and your first board. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more information. Thank you for watching.